back, Collector
Maniacs!
And today, I know, 1 year, a break. And I'm here with Oliver
and Kevin.
And we're gonna open up
Labubu.
I know these things are
going super viral all over social media.
But the thing is that we have one real one and one fake. This one's the fake one. You could tell it's like brighter than that one.
Really colored.
We're gonna show off everything. The back. We'll show you guys the difference. Real one, you could tell it's like lighter.
And more looser on the paints.
Yep. And then look, text. Okay. First, we're gonna open up the fake one. Alright, let's see. Okay. This side, the monsters. We messed up. Open it up. Sorry. Ooh. Let's see. You wanna pull it out? Ooh. Nice bag. Nice bag.
Okay.
Oh. There's nothing in there. That's it. Okay, there we go. We opened it up. If you want to grab it out.
See how it looks?
Ooh, nice. It looks goofy.
Oh, this one's eyes.
The monsters. There you go. We'll show you the difference of. This is the fake one. You could. Okay. Okay, this is the fake one. We'll compare it with the real one right now. Cool. Okay. And let's see if I don't mess this up again. Come on. Oh. That's way better. Ooh, you want to take that out? Oh, this one. We'll show you. Here's the difference, guys. This one's the real one, and this one's the fake one. You see, no text, no pop mark. It's different colors. It's way off.
It's blank.
Yeah. And I found out there's more stuff in there. The fake one didn't have anything. And we got this pink one. Look at that. It's way better.
And not goofy eyes.
Yeah. Okay, you could tell.
You can tell by the eyes.
Yeah, and then it's like, I don't know, it's like way dark. It has like cheeks, and then poor legs. Okay. And here's, I think it's the same tag. Yeah, this one's like brown. That one's like more blackish. Yeah. And here's the back. You could tell the fur is like weird, but yeah. This is the pop marks. The monsters. The back, I think it has nothing. And this one, the real one, has the logo pop mark. So you could tell right away which one's the real one and which one's the fake one.
And you can tell by this part.
Yeah, look, it's like more metal and that one's more plastic. So don't get scammed. These are so cute. The fake one is
it's
goofy.
It's something alright.
But yeah, please like and subscribe and help us get to 1,000 subscribers, and we'll have a special video that's gonna come out when we hit 1,000 subscribers. Later, guys. We forgot that the fake one, his head could turn
all the way, and it's terrifying.
It's scary. This one you can't. Look at that. But we also forgot that the real one has stuff in there. If you want to grab it out,
it has this,
a sticker. I'm pretty sure. No, it's not a sticker. Oh, there's the Labubu that we got, the berry one, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. And that Labubu's ugly.